What's up, guys? I thought I heard a noise out here in my avocado grove, so I decided to come kind of check it out. And it's so dark out here right now, the only light that you see is really from the moon. So I think what I need to do is do the flash. Let me see if I can turn the flash on here. Okay, I have the flash on, but it's really still very dark. But it sounded like there was an animal out here, so that's why I kind of came out to investigate. But I guess this is a night version of checking out some avocados that we have. So see my hand? Oh yeah. So let's see if we see some animals. But I hear owls. You can hear them. Let's listen for them. Yeah, there's definitely owls out here. Anyways, the avocados look okay. I'm sure there's some animals kind of like crawling on the trees and actually nibbling on some of these avocados that we have, but they seem to be doing okay. This is my Zutano. Let's see, do we got fruit still hanging on there? Oh yeah. And some nibbles. So yeah, actually the flash is not bad. It kind of makes these avocados kind of pop a little bit. So there's lots of fruit on the Zutano, and it's actually got a lot of fruit where I actually have to prop it up. So I have a stake kind of holding it up right here. So some of you will say Zutanos aren't good. I will say that Zutanos are actually pretty good if you allow them to hang on the tree for a while. And if they do hang on the tree for a while, they do taste pretty good. And not just that, but you know, if you only have one tree and a Zutano, it's been, you know, for me, productive pretty much every year. So to get fruit every year is a good thing. Versus some other trees which will alternate. Like my Carmen, I have two Carmens. One will alternate. Actually, they both alternate. So luckily for me, they alternate on opposite years. So with one Carmen, I have fruit one year, and the next Carmen, I got fruit the next year. So I'm always going to have Carmen fruit if the cycle continues. But if they both decide to stop for 1 year, then I'm not going to have any fruit. Is that UFO? Nope, it's a plane. Anyways, it's actually kind of creepy out here. My Edinger. Let's see. See, I don't have that much fruit, and I'm getting nibbles all over. They're still edible. It's actually not a bad thing to have a fruit that's got a little nibble. At least you got fruit. So it's better to have fruit than not. So let's go check out some more trees here. So this is my Charwell, and guess what? Surprisingly, I actually got a couple fruit. I didn't think I got any fruit this year at all. Let's see if we can find it. All right, where are you at? Here's one right there. Look at that. It's already good size. Hold on, let me. That's a good size Charwell, Kona Charwell already. So, yeah, cool. All right, over here, the dark side, we have my forte, and I finally got fruit on my forte this year. Not a lot, like maybe 5 or 6. Let me show you. Oh yeah, here it is. Look at that. After years of waiting, we finally got a couple. I'll probably end up losing them before I can actually eat them because some animal is going to come and grab them before I do. So, and then of course my Frankenstein avocado tree, which has at least 10 different varieties on there right now. Kahalu'u. And back there is the surprise. And surprise has a lot of fruit this year. It's pretty amazing. And it's supposed to be an alternate bearer, but last year it had a lot of fruit and this year it has a lot of fruit also. So who knows what's going on. I guess I gotta watch myself here because I'm getting close to a wood pile and there might be some animals coming out. So gotta be careful, especially at night. But surprise has got fruit. And some of them are starting to turn, like this one's smaller and it's already turning dark. So I picked a couple just to see. I have it on the counter right now, just to see if they ripen up okay and if they can start tasting good right now. As of right now, don't know. We'll find out. But I know some people are starting to kind of pick their surprise and actually eating them. So we'll see. Let me go walk up to a different section. We could walk together. All right, so we're walking, and you know, it's actually kind of interesting to be out here when it's dark like this. Uh-oh, it turned off. My flash turned off. It says my phone's overheating. Okay, I got no light. I gotta run. Oh, it's working again. That is weird. I didn't even touch it. It just turned off. So, in any case, we got my cherimoya right here. And of course, the notorious Santa Clara Gold. Esther, also good. And I know it's not the greatest lighting, but Carmen. And the Carmen's got fruit. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Right there. So, decided to produce fruit this year. It skipped last year. So, in any case, I think I'm gonna have to end it here because, I mean, it's just the moon, the light from the moon, that's it, pretty much. But hopefully you guys are all doing good. If you see any weird things in this video, comment down below. Any weird movements of anything, comment down below. Anyways, we'll talk later. See ya. You know what? I should have taken a couple of these down there with me, but it doesn't produce that much light. It's just a solar powered kind of like lamp, but it looks really cool. I'll link it down below.